Hello everybody, I am Filippo Galli and I'm a project engineer in Colnago following the performance of the new Y1Rs development. Y1Rs design is very innovative and disruptive. In particular, the two main features are, of course, the cockpit, which is actually featured by the Y shape, which help in reducing the frontal area down to 19%, improving the overall aerodynamics of the bicycle, especially in the stem area. The second other important feature is for sure the DeFi seat post area, which is featured by a very slack seat post that help at first to provide a vertical compliance, making this bicycle quite comfortable while ridden in aerodynamic position. Second, it helps in cleaning the overall flow behind the rider, improving again the aerodynamics. At the end, combining all the advantage and performance of this bicycle, aerodynamic advantage that can reach up to 20 watts at 50 km per hour in the wind tunnel, the stiffness of the bicycle, the weight of the bicycle, we think that this bicycle is for sure the right choice for fast races, like sprint stages or very high-speed races. But on the other hand, this bicycle is also recommendable for long stint in the wind, like can be the very long breakaway, which today get us used to in the last year.